Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friend. This is the warning news for all the SiaCoin holders, my friends. And absolutely, you already know that yesterday, my friends, a lot of cryptocurrencies price changes is negative. The price of the every coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, a lot of cryptocurrencies price is completely going down, my friends. So now seem like that the SiaCoin price situation is also going wrong. A lot of people confused that what should we do in this critical situation. But my friends, I really recommend for all of you that in every critical situation and any coin you are holding, any token you are holding, so I think that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss, my friends. That's my personal opinion about the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Anyways, let's see the latest update of the SiaCoin. But before discuss more about the SiaCoin, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. So now you can see here, first of all, if we talk about the price of the SiaCoin, so 0.013197 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the SiaCoin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the SiaCoin, so now the last 1 hour changes of the SiaCoin is positive, the last 1 day changes is negative, in last 1 week changes occur the SiaCoin is again positive. Only the 1 day changes is in negative. As I told you, my friends, in the beginning of this video, that the only yesterday, my friends, changes occur in the SiaCoin is negative, my friends. That's why a lot of people are worrying about the SiaCoin, that what should we do in this critical situation, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the SiaCoin. Oh my god, as you can see yesterday on the 8th July. On the 8th July, the price of SiaCoin is completely faster, but now the current situation, the latest situation of the SiaCoin is going good, and I hope that they will give us profit, not loss. If you invest for a long time, now they start pumping, so my prediction is going positive about the SiaCoin. I hope that they continue this pump for a long time, please. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about SiaCoin? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.